Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install, here click accept, and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just click here to open. Okay, I'll turn on my device, tap here enable settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, here click OK. Now just go back. Here click to the switch input methods and switch your regular Xperia keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now we'll just go somewhere when we can check our application keyboard, for example here to the search pool. And as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.